Hello, Word. Welcome back to another episode where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a word that's absolutely essential for understanding standards and evaluation. Our word of the day is benchmark, a C1 level noun meaning a standard or point of reference against which things may be compared or assessed. So, what exactly does benchmark mean in everyday language? Think of it as a yardstick, a fixed point that helps you measure progress or quality. It's that level you're aiming for, the example you're trying to match or surpass. You'll often hear it used in business, education, and even everyday life when setting goals. Now, let's explore some synonyms for benchmark. A close synonym is standard. For example, the company sets a high standard for customer service. Another similar word is criterion. Listen to this. Passing the exam is the main criterion for acceptance into the university program. We can also use the word yardstick to replace benchmark, as in the company's growth is being used as a yardstick to compare against other startups in the industry. Finally, the word touchstone works as well. In this example, honesty remains the touchstone of their business philosophy. Now, what about antonyms? Words that have the opposite meaning of benchmark? A good antonym would be outlier. For example, this student's test score was an outlier compared to the rest of the class. Another antonym could be exception. Consider this. The unusually cold summer was an exception to the average temperatures that year. We can also use the word deviation as an antonym, like this. This sudden deviation from the planned budget caused a financial headache. Let's look at how benchmark can be used in daily conversations and common expressions. You might hear someone say, "We need to benchmark our performance against the industry leaders." Or, "This project will set a new benchmark for innovation in the field." It's also common to hear phrases like benchmark testing or benchmark data, which refer to using a standard to assess something. Let's look at some usage examples of benchmark in sentences and phrases. Sentence 1. The government established a benchmark for air quality. Sentence 2. The athlete's performance became the benchmark for all aspiring runners. Sentence 3. We need to benchmark our sales figures against last year's results. Sentence 4. The new software is being used as a benchmark to improve efficiency. Sentence 5. This study sets a new benchmark in cancer research. Phrase 1. Setting the benchmark. Phrase 2. Meeting the benchmark. Phrase 3. Benchmark performance. Phrase 4. Benchmark testing. Phrase 5. Benchmark data. In summary, the word benchmark is a C1 level noun that means a standard or point of reference against which things are compared. Synonyms include standard, criterion, yardstick, and touchstone. Antonyms include outlier, exception, and deviation. It's used frequently in business, education, and everyday conversations to indicate a goal or a point of comparison. I hope this episode has helped you understand the word benchmark better. Thank you for tuning into Hello, Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Now, let's see what you've learned. Create your own sentence using the word benchmark and share it as a comment under this video. I'm excited to see what you come up with.